Alright. Let's up this up.
Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 2 to 4 feet. Tonight, west winds 15 to 20 knots becoming northwest 10 to 15 knots. Mostly clear. Waves 3 to 5 feet subsiding to 1 to 3 feet. Waves occasionally around 6 feet. Thursday, northwest wind 5 to 10 knots becoming west northwest 10 to sunny in the morning and becoming partly sunny. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Thursday night, west winds 10 knots or less becoming northeast. A chance of showers. Waves 1 foot or less. The water temperature off Toledo is 55 degrees, off Cleveland 51 degrees, and off Philly 53 degrees. At 11 a.m. Pittsburgh Airport reported cloudy skies. Temperature 49, dew point 45, humidity 86%. Wind north at 13 miles an hour. Wind chill 44. The pressure 22.85 inches and rising. Once again, at Pittsburgh Airport with 49 other cloudy skies. Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. Ritchie, Tyler, Westhope, Worth, and Wood. And finally, these counties in southwestern Pennsylvania of Greene and Washington.